Let's repurpose this holiday stuff into a s'mores bucket for summer fun. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So I have this bucket, got it in my craft room, was going through my craft room, this is what we find. It was a bucket from Michael's. I did not have the color for graham crackers, so I made my own, mixing a little brown and some orange. Now I taped off my bucket, so there's probably a 1-inch strip at the bottom, and we're just going to, and this is chalk paint, by the way. I'm using a dauber and I'm just dabbing all the way around. And then we're going to peel off our tape, and we have a nice pretty line. And this chalk paint, the reason why I use chalk paint is because it adheres and it covers really well, and I don't have to do as many layers. So that's why I do it. All right, so then I'm going to do the same thing on the top. I taped it off, and I am using a brush to just get inside and make sure that I get all of the corners and around the handle. Do the same thing, use a dauber all the way around, and then pull off the tape. Ta-da! Next, I'm using some white chalk paint. I did do some, I taped it off again. I don't know if you need to tape it off, but I did the same process. I taped it off, put the white on the center, and there's that. Now I'm using a Sharpie. No, this isn't a Sharpie. I think that was a Posca marker, but you could use a Sharpie or a pencil or whatever. And all I did was make like swirly kind of drippy kind of shapes. That's what I did. And I'm using a makeup brush, yes, and some more chalk paint. The color of this one is Java. It's just a super dark brown. And I'm just going all through, kind of following my marks. You don't have to follow them exactly. It was just a guide, just because I am a hesitant painter. I don't know about you, but I get all sorts of, I need some kind of guide. So that's what I did. And there it is. Now you could go around like I did with the dauber. You don't have to though. And then you remove the tape. Ta-da again. Look at how fun. This is a s'more. I don't care what anybody says. Look at how pretty it is. Funny story. I don't like s'mores, nor do I like any marshmallows. Crazy. All right. So this is where the project kind of went into a not great. I'm not super happy, but you'll get the idea. I'm using some wax on a sponge, and I'm just trying to make it look like the marshmallows toasted. Yeah, I kind of toasted this project by doing this. Ooh. But it's okay. I mean, if you do it, you may not do the toasty part, but it's kind of cute. I'll be honest with you. I was looking at it, I'm like, it just looks dirty. But that's okay. It's all right. I'm still there for it. It's cute. And there it is. It's all done. And now we're going to fill it with all of our s'mores things. So we have some marshmallows and some graham crackers. And I'm going to add a couple of our chocolate bars. And then I'm also going to add some bamboo skewers. Because friends, I have several parts to this video. There are more coming because this is going to be a whole set and it's going to be awesome. But here it is, adorable. Stay tuned. I will show you how I made that little tag. I am loving it. Even though I don't like s'mores, this is going to be awesome for our outside summer festivities. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you. And now it's your turn. Go make something pretty.